humans, Siren here. Happy holidays! And in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing the Jeffree Star holiday mystery boxes. What? So let's dig in. I'm really excited to see what's in here. I finally got the confirmation that it was being shipped. I was one of the last people to get it, sadly, which made it very hard not to watch the other amazing videos that people have made unboxing it already. So I tried with everything in me. I only watched one, and it was the big box, the deluxe, which I was not able to get, sadly. But I got the other two, so let's dig in. I saw that I got it refunded, and I was like, wait, I still want it. What, am I not getting it now? That's not fair. Like, you should have asked me before you just like took it away from me. But they still sent it. Oh. There we go. Now you guys can see me so much better. Why haven't I had this on the whole time? Well, okay. In total, I only spent $63.90 because they ended up refunding my stuff, so that was cool. Oh my gosh, they're even cuter in person. Okay, so let me do a thumbnail real quick. Okay, now that I've geeked out enough, let's get these open. Okay, so the first thing I see, oh my god, I have a gloss. I see it. Okay, so the paper is really cute. It matches the box a little bit. Really glad that I actually have one to try now. This is the gloss in shade Her Glossiness. Oh, that's gonna be fancy. So it says 2 finishes, Glitter Fantasy and Extreme Shine. Juicy, delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. And I think I actually got another lipstick right here. Oh my god, it's Cherry Wet. So I'm actually gonna use this first, but at the bottom of the box is the sticker set. So this is what the controversy has been about. So I'm really excited for these stickers. This one's Can't Relate, like his iconic logo on his shirts. Hi, how are ya? Cherry Wet, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Beauty Killer, Blue Blooded, the T says blend, bitch. Jeffree Star approved, Frosty, these are so cute. Let's dig in. It'll match, so we're good there. Oh my gosh, yes, that is it, girl. That is so cute. Oof. Hello, holidays. How are ya? Yeah, no, this is definitely gonna work for Christmas. Let's go ahead and get this gloss poppin'. I'm really excited to see how it looks, especially on top of this red. Wish me luck. It's a really nice quality gloss. It's not super sticky, and it's not like super tacky, which is the problem with a lot of glosses. That's everything. That screams holiday right there. I love that. That is so cute. And I was really bummed that I didn't get the big box because it comes with that peppermint highlighter palette. But I'm hoping that the medium-sized box makes up for it. So let's go ahead and dig into that one. Actually, make sure to add those up for you guys and see if the value is still there, which I'm pretty sure even with the first box it was. Oh my god, there's a skin frost. It's the first thing I see. Okay. It farted. And ooh, we got another sticker set. We got another sticker set. Okay, so we got another sticker set. So I think that will be a gift for one of my friends and or maybe my sister. But let's keep going. Ooh, Dark Horse is the skin frost. I'm hoping this isn't too dark for me. It says vegan, cruelty-free, you better glow, bitch. Long-lasting, extreme beauty, the definition of highlight on fleek. I just realized I have no brushes. I can't try this out if I don't have brushes. So I'm gonna go get brushes and I'll be right back. Now that I've got my brushes, we can dig into the skin frost. I've always wanted a skin frost. Look at how big it is. Oh my gosh. Ooh. god. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, pigment bitch. Okay. Let's just swatch that right there. Okay, that's a little dark. For a skin frost, I think that would be like a contour or bronzer, or maybe even an eyeshadow. I'm gonna dip into a little bit of this and see if it would work as a contour, because that's kind of the only thing I could see using this for. And if not, I'm just gonna give it to my mom or my sister. You can just hear the jingle of my bells. I will find uses for this for sure. And the mirror alone would be perfect to keep in my makeup bag, you know? It's a good product, so another win for sure. I've always wanted a skin frost. That might not have been the shade I would have picked out, but definitely one I can use. So let's keep going. I really want to unbox whatever this is, but I'm going to leave it for last because it seems like something big. So let's go with these. They're both velour liquid lipsticks. Ooh, okay, so one is Coral Fixation and another one is a mystery. And it's got a little stocking on it. So let's do the Coral Fixation first. Let's see what the shade looks like. I don't know if it's a color I would necessarily use. Actually, you know what? I think this might be a perfect gift for my sister because I'm Ice and she's Fire, and this is her favorite color. So I'm actually gonna save this. I will open it up just to see what the actual color looks like. I'll swatch just a little bit. There's really pigmented, super orange and pretty. Yes, this is definitely. Okay, so I'm gonna put that back over here, and it's really cute because you can tell it's from like the Thirsty collab because it's got little like flecks of water on the packaging. I love the detail that he puts into his packaging. That's really cool. This mystery shade. It's red and sparkles. It's red and sparkles. Oh my god, yeah. That's so neat. It's like darker. And I definitely like the darker shades of red and the metallic flexes. Oh, I think I might have to go take this off so I can try this on. I'm gonna be right back. Now that I took that color off, let's try this one out. Oh, yeah, that's so pretty. My lips don't even look real. Yeah, that's it. This color is so pretty. That's my favorite liquid lipstick that's come in this set so far. And sparkly and Christmas, like poinsettia bitch work. Dig into this last product. I don't know what this is, but I might have a heart attack. What is this? No. Oh my god. I can't believe it. I have wanted this palette. Blue's my favorite color. I'm Ice. Like, I'm Siren, Mermaid, that's me. And I've wanted this palette for so long, and I can't believe that he put it in the medium box. Like, I can't. I'm gonna cry. I'm so excited. This is the best Christmas ever. Oh my god. I can't believe I have this. I need to play with it. I don't. Okay, I have to put this on my face right now. Just a little bit, just to do a quick pretty look. It's not gonna look good with this lipstick, but I do not care. Jeffree, you're an inspiration. I'm gonna die. I just can't. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this Cullinan in the inner corner. Oh my god, that is so pigmented. Sister and I, Fire and Ice, we were thinking of doing a Fire and Ice makeup challenge with the Wet n Wild Fire and Ice collection. So if you guys would like to see that video, go ahead and like this video, leave a comment below, let me know if you would like to see that, because we're actually really excited to do that. I think it would be really fun to challenge ourselves like that, and we would be putting that video on our Fire and Ice channel, which if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check it out. I'll put it up somewhere over here and in the description below. Okay, so this white pearl is going to be everything I use for the rest of my life. Like, for cereal, I always am looking for a super pretty white to put in this corner of my eye. And this is it. This is everything. I can't believe I have this. I'm literally in shock. I was not expecting that. I saw the packaging and it looked like Blue Blood, and I didn't want to like think that maybe just to like use this minty, which is clever because it's spelled with T-E-A, which you go bitch. I think for the next color I want to dip into this Entitled because it is so pretty. This is so like my favorite color. Oh my god. It actually shows up more blue than it does in the pan. In the pan it almost looks like a bluish green. Oh, that is so pretty though. I'm not mad about it. I want to try this Ocean Ice. It almost looks like a pressed glitter powder. Like it doesn't even look like actual eyeshadow, but really dark. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. Definitely legit best thing that could have been in this box. I'm not even lying. Like, I really want the Conspiracy, of course, but I'm glad that this is the first like actual palette that I have by him because it's Blue Blood. Like, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. It looks like a fucking coffin. The clasps are like metallic blue. It's my favorite color. Like, yes, this is gonna be going with me everywhere for the rest of my life, and I love it so much. And she's here, and just thank you, Jeffree, for literally making my Christmas the best Christmas ever. This was definitely worth the money. Everything in here was just phenomenal. So, wrap this up for her for Christmas. Coral fixation is my go-to Alicia. So I'm really excited to see her unbox this. So that was my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoy watching these unboxing videos, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and a comment letting me know what your favorite part is. And if there's anything else you'd like to see me unbox, go ahead and drop it in the comments below as well. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will be trying to get better about my schedule and putting videos out every week. That is my video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to tap that bell to get notifications of any new videos that I come out with, and I will see you guys later. Stay weird. Love you guys. Bye. Mess. I'm sorry, guys. This isn't what you signed up for.